Activities is where you organize your work, create lists and projects, fill them with tasks, and keep track of everything that needs to be done. Use lists for everyday tasks and projects for bigger jobs with more moving parts. Both live in the left panel, so switching between them takes one click. To create one, click Activities on the left navigation bar, then Create, and choose List or Project. Give it a name and description, and it's ready to use. From there, open it and click Add a Task. A task starts as just a name, but click into it and it can carry as much detail as the work needs. Set an activity type, like a call, meeting, email, or deadline, along with a status and a priority. Add a description, plus internal notes only your team can see. Link the customer or organization it relates to straight from your contacts, assign the team members responsible, and even connect related cards from your pipelines. And under scheduling, set it as an all-day activity or give it precise start and end times. As your lists and projects grow, the Activities page keeps everything findable. Search by keyword, filter to narrow what's shown, and group activities by attributes like due date or priority. Grouping by due date, for instance, splits the page into this week and later. The display settings let you choose exactly which attributes appear, so the page shows only what you care about. Two habits make a real difference here. First, keep things current. Update tasks as they're completed and clear out the ones you no longer need, so the page always shows what still needs doing. Second, name things clearly. Descriptive titles for your lists, projects, and tasks are what make search and filters genuinely useful down the track. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.